they'll go to sleep.
You know that.
When he sits on you, you know you've been sitting on. Oh my Lord, Johnny.
I'm the one that wanted to go get.
I know.
Okay, now
Johnny.
You're down. You're down.
Malia, come sit by me for a while. I'm lonely.
She said, I'm just fine over here.
I don't want a surprise. I don't like surprises.
I don't want to.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did she say she was going to surprise him?
Mm-hmm. You don't want those kind.
Come here. Come sit by me.
Johnny, is she making a mess of your patio?
Yeah.
You know what she has to do now? She's going to have to get the wagon tomorrow on the tractor and haul all this stuff off.
That's probably plenty, Brianna.
Yeah, that's more than enough. I told you. I won't burn the house down.
I'm not ticklish. I'm not ticklish like you are.
Yeah, but that
I'm just going to send her home with Bernadette.
I got your hand. I got it.
No, that's okay. That's the joys of not being a mother.
That's right.
You get to just send them away.
just a little peace and quiet.
Exactly.
I'm not ticklish. Are you
I
ticklish?
treasure my peace and quiet.
I can't say I blame you.
I bet you do too. Of course, you have fluffed animals.
Yeah. And somebody's always coming in.
Yeah. Well, you can't explain this in photographs.
I don't want to.
How far are the
You better not. No, you won't. Look,
What'd
you
she
can't
say?
get me.
How far on you?
Nope. 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 You're stuck. You're stuck in the crack.